Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. Uh, Before starting our new topic, let's revise fastly. So we have in the previous video we have started the chapter mensuration. So first topic is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. In short, its lump sum definition is perimeter is sum of all sides. Now, step by step we study the perimeter of certain figures, okay, geometrical shapes. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by into bracket length plus breadth. I think everyone know what is length and what is breadth. Then next, perimeter of a regular shape. So it may depend upon the which is shape. Suppose we have taken pentagon, then perimeter of pentagon is equal to 5 into side. It may be octagon, so it is 8 into side, right? Next, perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length of side. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle, 3 into length of a side. Understand everyone? Then we started exercise 10.1. In 10.1 we have solved all this example up to I think this one, right? So we will start today question 2, that is these are some story sums, okay? This is just like story sums. No bother, it's so easy. If we understand what is asking and what things are given, then it is easy to solve, okay? So let's start. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm is sealed with round with the tape. What is the length of tape required? Now see, this is the rectangular box and this is the box sealed with the tape. Sorry. The shaded area shows the lid of the rectangular box. So its sides are 40 cm and 10 cm. Now the total length of a tape required is equal to, the total length required to wrap that box is equal to perimeter of rectangular box. Right now 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So it is equal to 2 multiplied by 40 plus 10. That means it is equal to 2 multiplied by 40 plus 10, 50. So 2 multiplied by 50 we get 100 centimeter. Understand everyone? First of all we have to understand what is the shape, geometrical shape of a given figure, okay, or a given object. Then decide the formula which we use. Then put the values, see the units properly, if they are in same unit or different unit. If they are different, then you have to convert it. Get it? So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by a 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the table? Now, perimeter of tabletop is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. As the tabletop is a rectangular in shape, first now this is, we decide what is the shape of the given object. Now just see both the measurements, that is length and breadth. It is length is 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Both are different now. So first we have to convert the measurement in 1 unit. Okay, so first we have to convert the measurements in 1 unit. So 2 meter 25 centimeter. So let's convert it into centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. So length is equal to 200 plus 25, that is 225 centimeter. Okay. Next, breadth. Breadth is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 100 plus 50, that means 150 centimeter. Get it? Now both units are in centimeter, right? So let's put the value in our formula. Now perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by into bracket length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 multiplied by what is length? 225 plus 150. So 225 plus 150. What will be the addition? It is 375. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 375, we get 750. Okay, so what is the perimeter? It is 750 centimeter. Everyone understand what we have done here? We have to first convert the measurements in 1 unit and then use the formula. Get it? Next. So see here, fourth example. What is the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Okay. So first of all, read the example. What things are given? First, tell me the shape of object. It is wooden, frame, photo frame na. So photo frame is always in rectangular shape, mostly 99%. Sometimes it is different shapes, but most of the time it is rectangular in shape. So we can measure its perimeter, then length and breadth is given. Second thing, both are in same unit, that is in centimeter. So it is easy for us. So let's start. The length of wooden strip is equal to perimeter of frame. So it is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So it is equal to 2 multiplied by 32 plus 21. So 32 plus 21 we get 53. So 2 multiplied by 53 we get 106. Right now? So what the length of the wooden strip required? 106 centimeter. Okay. Now one more thing I want to explain you. You have to write all the notes. Have you written these notes? Everyone has written these notes, and below it you have to start all these examples. Everyone has to solve these examples in book. It is must. Okay, draw the diagram carefully, do the calculation properly, write the numbers properly. Okay, draw the diagrams. Okay, you have to write properly how I written here. Okay, so see, I have explained fourth example. Okay, up to this everyone is clear? You have to write properly. Okay, so how I write here the formula, exactly below we have to put the its values and then answer. The answer should be with the unit properly and it should be underlined. Get it? And when I complete one example, you have to leave one line. Okay, write the sum or example properly in good handwriting. Get it, everyone? Now we will start the next example. So just 1 minute. It's a fifth example, na? So let's see. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of wire needed? Fine. So first of all, it is given. What is given?